How to delete your grab history. So if you want to delete your grab history or where you have transported using grab, first you want to go to your activity. Here you will see all of your activity including your transport food. Right now I don't have any because I've just created the account, but for you at the very top there should be transport food or marked tab, something like that. And if you go to transport, there is no active way to delete your history, but what you can do is contact the Grab's helps and support team. So what you want to do is tap on your account, and if you scroll down to see the help center, tap on it. And from here, if you scroll down, you can see there is an option for chat. So if it says chat is offline, then you just need to wait for chat to come online. So that's just the support representative for Grab. So you just want to talk to them. For example, if you search and find help for chat, and you might want to find the option to chat with those representatives. So right there you can talk to them with about your problem, and hopefully they should be able to fix your problem. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next video.